I finally have a website that's up and running. Hello, my name is Stewart Wood and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm just going to go over quick updates and what's happening behind the scenes of the channel. So the first big update is I finally have my website up and running. Okay, so let's just take a quick look at that now. So this is my website. It's built on Squarespace. It is not sponsored by Squarespace. Okay, I simply used it because it was easy to get up and running very quickly. The website address is www.theartofstewartwood.com. So it's a basic website, got a homepage with the latest news. We have an advertisement there for our Macro World Macro Photography Facebook group. It's where you can post your images in a safe place and not get bullied like I've seen on some other Facebook groups where people they're just nasty people. There are no nasty people in this group. If there are, they get kicked out. Okay, and we have, obviously we have the latest news, portfolio, little monsters, little worlds and macro videos. The About Me page, the gear I use, so if you're interested in any of the gear that I'm currently using for my macro photography or for the video side of stuff, then you can go on here and have a look. They are Amazon affiliate links because they do help out the channel. Running a YouTube channel can cost quite a bit of money, so getting a bit of a kickback on Amazon helps my channel out. And the all-important contact me page. So if you have any questions or you're a company that wants me to review any kind of kit, then this is the page you use to contact me. I'm not interested in reviewing anything that's not to do with photography, video or macro. Okay, so there's no point sending me iPhone cases because I'm not gonna review them, and I'm sure I'm not gonna buy them as well because there's a lot of scammers out there at the moment that are sending emails to YouTubers saying we want you to review our product. If you buy it off Amazon and then once the review's done they refund you, they are scammers. So if there's any YouTubers out there just starting up like I am, be aware of those scammers. Now this is going to be the central hub for my work. At the moment I'm on YouTube, which is you lovely people there, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I get questions asked on all different platforms, whereas now you've got a central point to ask questions, and the emails from this website have priority over everything else. Okay. The other thing that I want to ask is basically, what do you want to see from this website? Now, I have been asked for some merchandise, which is interesting, particularly for the Macro World Facebook group. And this website should be able to support merchandise. Now, the shop's not active at the moment. Once I get a couple of products on the go, I can do that. So that's something that will be coming. But if you have any particular requirements or suggestions for this website, then please feel free to contact me and let me know. So that's the website anyway. So let's just get on to the other news. I've not been posting the last couple of weeks because the wife was in the hospital having some wisdom teeth out. It wasn't very nice. I did record a video to carry on with my regular upload schedule, but I didn't like the way it turned out. I wasn't that happy with it, so I canned it. And I wasn't going to record a video just to get content out on a schedule because at the moment, I don't get paid for doing my macro videos, okay? It's all for fun. The YouTube part is all for fun because I struggle to learn macro photography and I want people out there to be able to learn it easier, which is why I started the YouTube channel. Now, at the moment, the wife is the bread earner. She works shifts, which is why my schedule is all over the place because I can't say from one week to the next what days I can record and what I can't. And because she was ill, she was in bed, I was looking after her. I've had my son ill. He was in the hospital yesterday. Luckily, he's okay. His tonsillitis are flared up. And that's why I've not been posting. But the other reason is I've been working on the garden because I'm going to turn the garden into a butterfly and bee sanctuary. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this summer we'll be able to get into the garden and we should have butterflies and bees to photograph and to basically take our macro outdoors now. Now I have got another feature that's coming up on the YouTube channel that I'm going to keep as a surprise. But that's it. That's the updates for now. I am going to start doing some Q&As because I do get asked a lot of questions. I'm thinking about doing YouTube lives maybe on a Friday night. That's still in the works. I'm discussing this with my friends that are on the Discord channel. I have a macro Discord channel where I ask people their opinions and they give me feedback, and this is where all this is coming from. People want some Q&As. They want merchandise, so that's why this has been developed. Anyway, that's it for this quick video, for a quick update, just to keep you updated as what I'm doing and what's happening behind the scenes. I want to thank you for getting to the end of this video. And again, my name's Stewart, and as always, I'll see you on the next video.